your Indian consumer.
Hey consumers, it's me Prasad with Parak, your Indian consumer, back here again with another unboxing and review. And today I have with me a vacuum cleaner by Zook. Now earlier I had unboxed a vacuum cleaner by Zook which was known as the Small Wonder, and this vacuum cleaner is a bit bigger in size. It has the capability of wet and dry cleaning and it is known as the Hurricane. Now here you can see the MRP, but this vacuum cleaner is available for around 1999 rupees, that is around 2000 rupees on Snapdeal. The link for the same I'll provide below in the description. So well, let's get into the unboxing. Here we have the box. It is in the typical Zook white and blue colors which look really nice. Let's quickly open the box, get inside and see what we get inside the box. So firstly, here we see a manual, an instruction manual. Let's quickly take a look at it, and as always you can pause the video anytime if you feel like reading it. So well, let's keep the instruction manual aside, and yes, this vacuum cleaner also comes with a 1-year warranty. Next up we have the vacuum cleaner itself. For time being, let's just keep it aside and see what else we get. So we have some attachments. These are the two basic attachments that we get along with this vacuum cleaner. Let's keep them aside as well, and there are some other small parts here inside the box. So here we have a fuse, a spring, along with some other parts which will assemble into the car charging plug, and that is what we are going to do right now. So first goes the spring, followed by the fuse, and which is capped up by the two other metallic parts. It has to be screwed into place, and there we go. That is how it fits in. Very simple, and I just showed you how to interchange the fuse as well. So well, the plastic quality is decent enough. Let's take a look at the wire. The wire is also good. It is a 5-meter long cable. Now let's remove the first attachment. So here we have a small nozzle which again has a good plastic quality. The plastic quality that we observed on the Small Wonder, which is a smaller vacuum cleaner by Zook, is again seen to be maintained here, which is a good thing. Let's take a look at this other attachment which has these bristles onto it. Now this is a kind of attachment that we found missing on the Small Wonder, but we have it here on the bigger guy, and I really feel this will be really helpful for cleaning your car seats. And now finally we have our hands on the vacuum cleaner itself. So well, it is very sturdy. The first impression that you get when you look at this vacuum cleaner is it is made out of really high quality plastic. The transparent plastic portion that you see here is really very hard and sturdy. The on off button there, which also has a nice feedback. The vents on the side which will allow the air to flow out. On the back side here we have some stickers which mentions the model number and power, which is 75 watts. So well, if we talk about the technical specifications, this vacuum cleaner has a suction pressure of 350 millimeters of water column, which is equal to 0.35 kg per centimeter square. The motor speed is 28,000 rpm. Airflow is 816 liters per minute. The noise produced is less than 75 decibels. If we talk about the dimension, that is 395 into 105 into 115 millimeters, and its weight is around 800 grams. This vacuum cleaner has a 1-year warranty and the motor has a 2-year warranty. Well, let's take a look at this filter here, which as mentioned earlier is capable of doing dry as well as wet cleaning, and definitely we'll be testing that. That is how it fits into place. And now that we have assembled the vacuum cleaner, let's put it to use. So let's put in the car charging plug so as to get the power input. So that is how the vacuum cleaner will sound. And now that you have heard the sound, let's see the cleaning as well. So here I'll try to clean this portion up, and it has some really large granules and a lot of dust there. So let's see how this vacuum cleaner functions. The Small Wonder was good, but compared to that, let's see how the Hurricane performs. So there you see all the dust is collected inside and it stays well, and because of the transparent cover you're able to see how much the container has inside. Now I'll use this attachment to clean those portions of the seat where your hand generally does not tend to reach and there is a lot of dust present there. And yes, it does perform pretty well. Let's try the coin test on this vacuum cleaner. And there you see, this attachment allows us to suck in those coins, which was not observed on the Small Wonder. To suck in the coins in the Small Wonder, we had to remove the attachment, but on this vacuum cleaner we are easily able to do it. So again, a nice thing. The big brother Hurricane is really performing really nice. Let's remove the filter and let's see inside. So there we have our coins along with all the dust. And now I'll have to clean this mess. But let me tell you, cleaning the filter is much more simpler. You just tap it on a hard surface and simply the dust is dusted off. So that is a pretty good thing. Now let's try this other attachment which is specially used for the seats and the dust which is settled in there. The bristles on this attachment which agitates the dust, which allows to improve the suction process and hence cleanses your seats pretty well. Now Zook has made some bold claims regarding the suction, and so I felt a need to test them out as well. So here I am doing a power bank test on the vacuum cleaner, and here I have a 250 grams power bank which I could easily lift using this vacuum cleaner. There you see, due to the suction power, the power bank which weighs in around 250 grams, is easily lifted, which indeed proves the suction capacity of this vacuum cleaner. So yeah, the suction is good. And by the way, that was a UJuice power bank. If you want to see the video, I'll provide a link below in the description. So the suction was good, but will it stand the wet test? Let's find it out. So it did manage to suck in all the water there, but now we'll open the vacuum cleaner, remove the filter and see if there is water near the motor section. So that is the most important thing which we have to observe. So here I've opened the vacuum cleaner and there you see inside. So a little bit of water was observed on the body, but none had entered inside thanks to the black color lining seal present there. So that seal won't let the water to get inside if the cover has been fitted properly. Let me just remove the filter. Cleaning the filter, as I've shown you, is really very easy and it does dry out quickly. Zook claims that it has provided a 5-meter long cable and we are going to test that as well. So here you can see I'm easily able to reach the dicky of a sedan from Hyundai, which is the Hyundai Verna Fluidic, and you can easily use this vacuum cleaner to clean your dicky as well. One most important part that I found in this vacuum cleaner was it gives a run time of about 2 hours. The vacuum cleaner in this range do not give such a long run time. So if I have to conclude, I'll say that this vacuum cleaner is really very nicely designed. The build quality is again commendable. I have to say that I'm observing some really nice build quality provided by Zook on all its products, keeping it minimalistic and providing just 2 attachments which are highly useful. Along with a great suction power, I feel this vacuum cleaner just packs in everything, and just at a price tag of around 2000 rupees, I feel this vacuum cleaner is a fantastic deal. So well, that was my take on this vacuum cleaner by Zook. So right now on the screen you can see some of my other videos. You can click on them and it will redirect you to a new page where you can view those videos. If you've liked this video, do give it a huge thumbs up, and if you were watching my video for the first time, do hop onto my channel. I generally tend to make videos on all Indian goods and services, so do subscribe to my channel. So well, that was it from my end for today, and I'll be seeing you in my next one. Thank you.